Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at some different substrate materials that we can create that are going to take advantage of the kind of layering system that they have built in. So we're going to be building up this kind of riverbed, rocky, stream that has some scatter going along the top, as well as having a bit of oil spill that we can add on optionally on top as well. We're going to be working with a parallax occlusion map for this, and we're just going to be using Quixel Megascans as the textures. We're also going to be taking a look at how we can create this material that is kind of like, an old diner booth or a diner stool that has some, scuff marks, some grunge marks, some glintery kind of effects, as well as kind of a clear coat on top. And then finally, we're going to be taking a look at a material that can accumulate and build up, such as, we have some sand here that's glittering. We could also do the snow or any kind of mud, anything like that. And we're going to be applying it in such a way that we can have it cover any mesh that we like and still get these kind of really, really nice effects of having, the sand or the snow kind of give us that kind of glintering effect that we would expect as the kind of light hits the quartz crystals within it. So that's the plan for today, and we're also going to take a brief look at source control as well, so that we can make sure that our project is safe. If we are testing things out and we're saving things, we want to have a version backup just in case we kind of go too far down one path and we need to kind of revert it back. We can easily do that. So we're going to be taking a look at how we can set that up as well.